Hey GlamFam, welcome back to the channel, besties. Let's use this gift pan. It's metal to create a beautiful gift. Lay's birthday was coming up, and so I decided to do this. Picked up some flowers. I wanted red roses. I wanted them fresh. They didn't have red roses. I did pick up another bouquet so I could get the yellow flowers. Let's start by cutting this cardboard. We're gonna add grass or fillers to the bottom of the container and then add our favorite treats on top. I did have to cut this down a little bit to fit perfectly into the pan. So we're going to add the filler to the bottom, and then we're going to add the foam to the water so it can hold the water. So I always like to use what I have, but I thought this greener foam was the one for water, but it was not. So I have to kind of cut the ugly one to make sure that it fits. So this green one was not going to work at all. I did cut out the shape and everything, but because the flowers were actually real, this one was not going to work for me. Notice how the ugly one, I said the ugly one, it's the one that's getting the job done. So you know, we're not supposed to be judging. Don't judge. So see, the greener one is actually taking the water, and that's what you want, because we do want the flowers to survive. I'm doing this overnight and I'll be delivering it to her in the morning, so I'll have to do pieces of that one that's actually taken in the water, and then I'm gonna put it into a plastic and set it into here, and then we're gonna add our flowers. And this is a plastic I got from Bath and Body Works for gifts, so of course there are no holes in here. So we're going to set that into the container, and then you are going to cut off the excess plastic. Once the excess plastic is gone, you can fill the left side with your grass or whatever filler it is that you're going to use. I found some bluegrass that I have here, so I'm going to be using that as my filler. Filler is added, and the heart shape, or the half heart shape that we cut, is now on top, and that's where we're going to add her favorite treats. And next we're going to be cutting flowers to the desired length where we can fit them perfectly into the foam, and we're going to start with the yellow flower, and we're going to use that as our center. All right, with that in place, we are going to build the white roses around this one, and this is what that's looking like so far. I'm going to be adding some more water in case they get thirsty. So that's that. And then I'm going to be adding her favorite treats on the other side. And I did use packing tape to kind of glue them down on the other side. The container does come with a top portion, but that's not going to go on there. So we're just going to put it to the bottom and bring it to school like that. This is what we're looking like. So I'm going to be adding a little bow around it. I also added a gift card for her for Hobby Lobby. In my brain, the container was kind of blah, and so I did add a ribbon around it like so. So this is the finished product, you guys. What are your thoughts? Would this be something that you would like for yourself? Would you gift this to someone? I mean, on the left side, you can add just about anything you would like. I also have a postcard. We're going to write in that postcard, and then the extra flowers, look at that. They're already in a vase and ready to rock and roll. So the next time you think of buying someone some flowers, try something like this instead of just handing them a bouquet of flowers. Now, as I close out this vlog, I think back to the 2 pieces of foam that I wanted to use. A lot of times we tend to judge people before we actually get to know them. That sometimes can be to our detriment, because people have so much to offer, and just because of the way they look, we tend to not give them the opportunity that they deserve. And now the last clip shows the flowers and how they're doing in their new home.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.